The Legal Zone is sponsored by Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers and 300hurt.com.
In the Legal Zone, we're talking about who has the tougher job, the attorney who represents the insurance company or your personal injury lawyer. Scott Becky here from Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers to explain that the party that bears the burden of proof and has to build a case from the ground up, they're putting in the most work, right?
It's absolutely true. If you're hit by somebody, you're the plaintiff. That means you have the burden of proof to prove your case. Not only that the other person's at fault, but also the fact that your injuries are related to that accident. And you need an attorney for that.
And so you end up building the strongest case you possibly can from the ground up, and the defense attorney just needs to poke some holes in it to demolish the whole thing?
In the beginning of my career, I started as a defense attorney, so I know what it's like to try to poke holes in a case. And that's what you have to do. You have to find little inconsistencies. Oh, he didn't feel like he was hurt that day, but he felt like he was hurt later. You get the idea. So the plaintiff lawyer, Richard and I, really need to do a good job of building the case from the bottom up.
Yep.
And that means starting early.
Yep. And you're very thorough. The case has to be built in a really solid way. And that's why it's important to have the experienced attorney who can do that. What else should we understand about that?
Richard and I have been practicing a long time together. We're colleagues. We will take your call if you call us. We have a very personal practice. We have a great staff of paralegals. If you're getting in an accident or you're in an accident, give us a call. We'll help you out.
Excellent. And the main idea is just people should reach out and call you. They have nothing to lose just by making contact and letting you know what's happening.
Absolutely. There's no fee for us to investigate your case.
All right. Wonderful. Scott Becky, we certainly appreciate it. And people love working with you at Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers. Your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. People can contact you by calling 300-HURT, or they can go online and visit 300hurt.com.